Alright, let's just get a close look at this epic ceiling fan as it just rotates around. You can see it just you just follow one of the fan things. Just follow it around. It'll only take a little bit to get dizzy. My eyes are tired already. Oh yes. Yes. Oh. This is what I plan to do today. This is always what I plan to do today. This is what I plan to do every day. This is all I want to do ever anymore, actually. It's just gonna be someone listening in. I don't know if anyone else is in this room. There's just gonna be someone else listening in on me. And I'm just gonna be like, what is this guy doing? What a weirdo. I wonder how long I can keep this up. I'll just do it until someone enters the room and gives me a weird look. Then I'll pretend I was never doing this. So, how's your day? You been doing good? Yeah, having a good time in that thing that you're doing? I wonder if anyone else can hear me. I think I already said that. I definitely did. Alright, we just passed the 2-minute mark. Remember. You got it? Cool. You see any good memes lately? Cool? Any cool dank memes? For the boys? For the cool? Hey, I'm videotaping a fan. How you doing?
What?
I'm taking a recording of this fan. It's been 2 minutes and 30 seconds so far.
I beat baby dragons.
Nice.
And will cry even leader at the same time.
Wow, that's impressive.
I didn't even have flame resistance.
Wow, that's
it was
more.
painful. And I didn't have to use my ad revive, surprisingly.
Wow, cool.
I know, I'm cool. You're not.
I don't think they'll be able to see the notifications that I'm getting. That would kind of suck, because that would kind of cover the whole screen. It's just someone talking about their computer that they're getting, supposedly getting, probably not
Ryan's
getting.
not going to get a $20,000 computer.
What do you mean? He's totally going to. That's how much computers costs, right?
When he wants 20.
He wants the mega computer.
Huh?
He wants the mega computer.
He wants 2080 SLI. He wants dual. 20 multiple.
I can't. At this point, I can't even stop the recording. The notifications are covering the stop button. I'm probably just gonna keep doing this until someone else walks in the room. What do you think about that?
I think that my gem tree's fertilized.
Good to know. Oh, my finger got caught in there. I think I need to edit that part out. That's gonna ruin the recording. You gone? Alright, cool.
You smell bad.
What if I can just edit subtitles over this? That'd be kind of funny. Alright, we just hit 420, which is actually a very special number because it is actually Hitler's birthday, and that is a very momentous occasion because that man had a very big impact on history. If you don't know about it, good for you, I suppose. And we just hit 444, which is not important at all, but it looks kind of cool. So that's kind of cool. Do you think you could focus on 2 of the blades turning at once? Can you do that? I certainly cannot. That is hurting my eyes. How about 3 blades at once? No, I can't. It just just looks like it's teleporting everywhere. Ah, my eyes. Oh, that is trippy to look at. Oh, I feel like I'm just in one of those like teleporters where you just send them all and it slowly starts fading faster and faster until it's just a blur. Actually, kind of like if you focus on like more than one at once, it looks a lot. It starts to look different. But if you just focus on the one, then it just looks like normal, like kind of glitchy, but normal. Man, that's kind of weird to look at, isn't it? Oh, we just passed 6 minutes. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't think I'd be able to commentate on a fan for this long. This was just me being bored. I didn't think it would actually be like. In before this, just my phone doesn't pick up sound, and I've just been talking to myself for literally no reason. So, leave in the comments how many blades this fan has if you subtracted 5. So how do you look at fans? What do you do to get the most enjoyable experience of watching your ceiling fan rotate? Or it doesn't even have to be your ceiling fan. It can be someone else's ceiling fan, like I'm doing right now. Just watching it go round and around, just for fun. Enjoy yourself, have a good time. Because that's what life is all about. Enjoying yourself, having a good time. It's a philosophy centered around that. I learned about it in CCG class. I learned about that in CCG class. You probably didn't, because you're not old like me. You know, I'm sad. I don't remember what it was called. I remember all of the other ones. It's like, I actually I don't remember all the other ones. I just remember utilitarianism, which is just the most hilarious. Like, it's not hilarious, but it's an interesting way to think about religion. Just or not religion, just it's just interesting way of thinking. The way of thinking, like, just be the most useful people are the ones that are the most valuable. Which, I mean, in theory, that should be kind of how it works, but instead we have like the most popular people are the most powerful because the most they have the most like uh sorry, there's like something that was choking me a second ago. That was not fun. Oh, it's back. Ow. Let's see if I can like avoid being choked. Hopefully if I just breathe normally, that oh, that is not work. Oh no, that is not working. uh, Alright, I've evaded certain death. You should all now like if that's not enough to make you remember to remember, then I don't know what is, honestly. What if all these efforts were just in vain? What if there's no point to doing this? Wouldn't that be unfortunate? What if what if these are just counting in seconds, not minutes? What if it's only been 9 seconds? That would be quite dampening on the mood. I'm currently on spring break right now, just sitting around. I just finished going swimming, actually. Well, not just finished. Apparently, I just finished going swimming about 10 minutes ago. Exactly 10 minutes ago. Minus my shower. So that was fun. What if I... Oh yes. Are you feeling? Are you having fun now? Is this fun? Am I making this more enjoyable for you? Are you ready to remember now?